Hey, Kiss FM van running past 103.5, okay? I just wanted to show y'all my plant babies. I know Snapchat saw it first, y'all. This is my second pineapple that I've been putting in water. Got a little root action going on there. Everything has sprouted. Everything has some sort, even if it's a little sprout, we're gonna appreciate it. I just watered them, so excuse them looking a little moist. That's my deal. This is parsley. Y'all see my stuff sprouting, y'all? Y'all better start growing. I'm gonna show y'all the other side in a second. That's also my windowsill. Y'all, excuse my junky work desk. But this is what I have right in front of my desk here. This is my first pineapple that's been rooting, very much so. I'm gonna need to get jars to put all my stuff in because everything is already like sprouting and getting too small. Everything has sprouted though. As you can see, this is my green onion. I just harvested this yesterday, so that's why they look like that. And then I think that's just like a regular little plant I got from one of the pantries I went to. But y'all, let me show y'all the roots on this. Do y'all see them? Y'all can't even see it, y'all. And if I turn it over, y'all, let me just tell y'all, all the roots at the bottom of this, everything need to be replanted. I literally need to go wherever I can buy like a bunch of like terracotta pots because I prefer terracotta, but I'm not opposed to these little ones from the Dollar Tree. The only thing is they don't have drainage holes, so I don't be watering them too much. I mean, could you not mess up my little decorations in my home? But yeah, y'all, I'm basically gonna have to get some more plants. But y'all, I still have all this space to still plant, so y'all don't have no excuses of why y'all can't plant. Y'all need to be planting. I'm telling y'all. Start planting, start planting. And I also have another window in my bedroom that's long like this too. So if I run out of space here, I can also grow in the next window. Y'all, why am I still not packed and I'm supposed to leave tomorrow? Okay, y'all, good morning. I know I haven't seen y'all like all week. Today is Thursday. It's like 8:40 a.m. I ain't really been able to vlog like that because I ain't gonna lie, I had training all week and I just started working yesterday, so I work a new shift now. I work 9 to 5, but next week I'll be on 7 to 3, so that's why I ain't been able to vlog. I'm still trying to pack up. All my stuff is here. I'm just playing with my stuff, but I still ain't even packed up. I just showered, so I don't have to do that later. I'm trying to make me a cup of coffee, get Aviva sorted before I start work at 9. Want to say anything to the vlog? Hey, she's showing y'all what I'm packing, yeah. But, yeah, let me get my coffee, get Aviva some milk going, get her changed, and I will come back. So y'all, it's like 9:33 right now. I just made my breakfast. We have some turkey sausage with scrambled egg, hash brown, and 2 pieces of pear. And then I got me a coffee. So in the meantime, before it's time for me to go later, I'm gonna try to pack and I want to try to give Viva a bath. I stayed up really late last night doing Viva's hair, and forgot to even eat dinner. So I'm like hungry. So I'm just gonna pray and then I'm going to eat breakfast and try to relax a little bit, and then I'm going to start packing, y'all, because I literally just like had a whole bunch of other stuff to do and I have not been able to vlog like that. And yeah, I didn't even tell y'all I had started my new job. I was doing trading, y'all. It was just too much. Like, it was just too freaking much. But yeah, y'all, I'll probably show y'all some footage of me packing a bit, but it's gonna probably be like a voiceover video because I ain't finna be saying nothing. Alright, y'all, I will see y'all in the next clip. So y'all, if y'all made it to this part of the video, go to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like. I love interacting with people in the comments, y'all. Excuse my face, I'm so tired. I'm on my second cup of coffee. I still haven't packed. I gave Aviva a bath. I'm thinking about grilling some turkey for hubby. I've been responding to emails. I've had like so much business stuff I've been trying to take care of. I'm taking my computer with me on vacation, and I am working on vacation, but I'm gonna try not to be on my computer too much. So I'm just trying to knock out a lot of stuff before, you know. So yeah, I was just reviewing some stuff right now. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all me packing, y'all. I just ain't got to it yet. I just ain't got to it. I was cleaning up. Like I said, gave people a bath, and all my stuff is still there on the floor. So I'm probably gonna review this application. Actually, let me save it, and then I can I downloaded it. Yeah, so I need to just save this, make 2 phone calls. No, 1 phone call, 2 phone calls. Make 2 phone calls, and then I'm gonna pack. So I also gotta put on I want to put a little makeup, you know, a little bit of something. But I'm gonna come back to y'all. Y'all will see me in a moment. So y'all, good morning. I'm vlogging this morning. We just got into Woodlands for the first time. So they hiring y'all. So we gonna do some shopping. Carmen's getting a cart for us. And we gonna get some, it was acting stuff. Okay, so yeah, we're actually in here because we're gonna get some food stuff to go home and make breakfast. Y'all, we so tired of drinking, eating takeout and stuff. Like, we're so tired of it. So gonna go ahead and get some food stuff so we can cook, and I'll show y'all what we get on the way. Y'all, the women's store is, y'all sleeping on this store. It is so nice. They have like fresh stuff, organic. Everything is like just pick what you want. It's such a big store. Like they have like all these like exotic fruits I haven't even like ever tried before. All this good prices. So y'all, I just wanted to show y'all the shelves in here. They do have like chicken broth. They have all types of stuff. We're done like the canned meat aisle and like the pizza aisle, pasta aisle, because we're actually gonna make pizza from scratch. So I'm just showing y'all the different aisles, what they have here. They have actually like a lot of, you know, nice stuff. Everything looks to be stocked up on, but that doesn't mean that you shouldn't stop stocking up. Make sure y'all stock up for y'all family, because y'all family lives depend on it.
You gotta go that way for the cheese.
Okay. You know we need to get bread too.
Yeah, I
like
just
some
want
So y'all, we just came out of Woodman. It's all our little grocery that we got. Y'all will see it in full effect when we get to the house. Don't judge me at this.
I'm screaming.
I gotta pray. Blanco, bring that back like Santa in the Roberts, not a slave.
There's so many birthdays, y'all. I know this.
Longer than usually. Usual. Y'all see the jiggle?
Y'all say hi to Kyra. We are here live at the Burt Oak, and I am a man dressed as a woman. Hello. And it's to Kyra's birthday. And Kyra didn't give a fuck what I was saying, so I'm embarrassing her right now. Kyra, you look beautiful today. Are you having a good birthday thus far? Are you drinking today? What'd you say? What's your shot of choice?
No shot of choice.
Kyra. If you follow her, y'all, she is shy for some goddamn reason. But on the count of three, let's all say happy birthday to Kyra. 1, 2, 3. There you go, my love.
Cara, how you feel, girl?
I'm tired, baby.
We done got tore up at brunch.
Girl,
My mama high, I'm drunk. How you feel?
we only had what? What technically it was 2 drinks in one because
It was 3
you
drinks.
got double shot in the second one, and the first one was a single shot. So that's like 3 drinks.
Happy birthday to you.
Wait, let me turn it for you. She didn't bring her any crayons. Say cheese. Cheese, look. You trying to get your food sorted out? Yeah, you trying to figure out what you want? Yeah. I'm trying to figure out what I want too.